Here are the 5 simple steps I use to bypass my brain's need to delay everything. Procrastination is simply an emotional avoidance strategy. We delay work to avoid the negative feelings associated with it, like stress or fear of failure. We need to trick our brain into starting small, which kills the negative emotion. The simple system focuses on tiny mandatory starts. By the end of this video, you will have a 5-step blueprint to instantly reduce your friction and become a consistent executor. Let's start with step 1. Step 1, the 2-minute action. The single most powerful strategy is the 2-minute action. If a task takes you less than 2 minutes, you must do it immediately. Don't add it to a list. This forces small, quick wins. This is a proven method. David Allen, the author of Getting Things Done, credits the 2-minute rule with a 30% self-reported increase in daily tasks completion. The goal is to build momentum. Quick action tip. Look at your email inbox right now. Delete or reply to the first email that takes under 120 seconds. Step 2. Shrink the start line. High achievers often procrastinate on big projects because the start line is too far away. We need to shrink the task until it is impossible to resist. For a massive report, your start line isn't write the report, write the title. Dr. Tim Pikel of Procrastination Research Group states that procrastination is not a time management issue, but an emotion management issue. By making the tasks tiny, you remove the negative emotion of overwhelm. Quick action tip. For your biggest project, define a 3-minute task. Set a timer. When the timer goes off, you're allowed to stop. Step 3. Pre-commit your energy. Don't rely on future motivation. Secure your energy now. Procrastination thrives on open, vague scheduling. The solution is energy scheduling. Assign demanding tasks to your peak energy window. If you're a morning person, block the first 90 minutes for deep work. Studies show that up to 20% of adults identify as chronic procrastinators, a number that has quadrupled since 1978. This huge increase correlates directly with the rise of complex, unscheduled digital work. Don't become a statistic. Pre-commit. Quick action tip. Open your calendar, block out your highest priority, most dreaded task for the same time tomorrow morning. Step 4. The pain time swap. This step reframes the cost of delay. Procrastination is a temporary comfort that guarantees future pain. We must swap that pain. When you feel resistance, immediately identify the exact future pain this delay is causing. For example, I'll be up until midnight. The current discomfort is always less than the future panic. Quick action tip. The next time you feel like checking social media instead of working, tell yourself, I am choosing to do this task now to save 3 hours of panic later. Write this statement down. Step 5. The mandatory pause. High achievers can become perfectionist procrastinators. We delay finishing because it's not perfect. The mandatory pause forces you to stop before you finish. When your 45-minute work block is up, stop in the middle of a sentence or a section. This creates an open loop that makes it psychologically easier to start again later. It breaks the cycle of all or nothing thinking. Quick action tip. After you implement any of these steps today, put your pen down and walk away while the task is 90% done. Leave the final step for tomorrow. You now have the simple blueprint. Let's quickly recap. Step 1 is the 2-minute action to build instant momentum. Step 2 is shrink the start line, making the task physically easy to begin. Step 3, pre-commit your energy. Lock in your best focus time. Step 4, the pain time swap. Connect current inaction to future suffering. And finally, step 5, the mandatory pause. Stop the all or nothing perfectionism. This isn't a complex system. It's a tiny set of actions designed to manage your emotions, not your time. Don't try all 5 at once. I want you to try step 3. Pre-commit your energy tonight. Block 30 minutes tomorrow morning for your most dreaded task and stick to it. Then come back and comment below with the task you finally started. The first step is the hardest, but you're now equipped to take it. Subscribe for more low friction